Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Ethereum to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. Cash App only supports Bitcoin transactions, so you first need to convert Ethereum into Bitcoin using a crypto exchange. Here's how. First, transfer your Ethereum to an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Open your exchange account and copy your Ethereum deposit address. Then, use your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to send Ethereum to that address. Once the Ethereum arrives, convert it into Bitcoin using the exchange's trading or swap feature. After conversion, you can transfer the Bitcoin to Cash App. Open Cash App, go to the Banking tab, and tap on the Bitcoin section. Select Deposit Bitcoin to find your Cash App Bitcoin address. Copy this address. Now, return to the crypto exchange and use the withdrawal feature to send Bitcoin to Cash App. Paste the copied address into the withdrawal form and confirm the transaction. Once the Bitcoin appears in Cash App, you can sell it for US dollars. The funds will be added to your Cash App balance, allowing you to withdraw them to your linked bank account or use them within the app. So that's basically how you can transfer Ethereum to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.